I'm gonna bring you with me to this girls' day out. Bonjour, beautiful people. I'm gonna meet some Filipinas because we are going on a day trip in a place here in the south of France. I don't know where it is exactly. I'll just go with them. We are going early because we booked a very cheap ticket for the train. Yes, I'm gonna bring you with me to this girls' day out. Charot. Of course, the trip starts with metro. Yes, taking metro, guys, to go to the Gar. Yes. And look at here, I am all alone. Ay, may isa pala doon. So yeah, I'm gonna take metro to go to Gar, and then the other Filipinas, we're gonna meet there. Mariba, oh my god, very dark. Oh, kita nyo ang pagkapanda ng face ko. Have to transfer metro because the metro near my place is line B, but the metro that's going to Gar is line A, so I have to stop at Dangerous. They call it Dangerous to take line A. Not many people because we are early, so not so many people here at metro, but normally a lot of people only take the metro one stop, just one stop to the Gar.
Prochaine station, Marengo SNCF.
And we just arrived at La Gar. La Gar it is. This is where I'm gonna take the train. La Gar it is. Are gonna go Gar de Toulouse Matabu. I don't know. Matabu, mata. So this is it. It's a sunny day. I hope it is really a sunny day because the weather forecast is a rainy day. Sayo kaayo sa buntag. Hello. Dahil walang breakfast, mag-breakfast muna kami ni Cherry. O diba? Oh, from Paris. I always see them using their phone. Bonjour. Est-ce que vous savez karaté? Latte macchiato, s'il vous plaît. Oui. Coffee time muna kami dalawa. While waiting for the other beautiful ladies. Labot na ang news punctual. Bonjour. Magkapis ako kadali. Ado. Ayan, ang mga turista. Mga turista in France. In long time. Teka na kayo. Maiwan na kayo. Taka na. Dagan kayo, mabiyaan na mo. Dali, go run. Mabiyaan yun na Rosmel na iba. O diba, wala nabiyaan. Here we are, Denmark Resort. Hello. And there she is. Asa kayo today? Mga tuwa pa, ha? In time. Kasi kung semester. Start. Asa ito? Ay, Albi na kung start. Hindi siya start ko nung we're going to Albi. So we are now on the train. With Melanie. Bella is over there. I thought we would go to Aldi doing grocery. Albi pala. Albi is it a historical place?
Yeah, medieval place.
Ah, okay. That's why the structures are beautiful.
Yeah.
Actually, in the weather forecast, they said it's gonna rain, but turista ng friends.
Ano na naman yan?
From Mandaue City.
Hindi na sa Japan.
And we have just arrived. It took 1 hour trip. We just arrived at our destination. Welcome to Albi. Gar. In fairness, it's sunny here, but it's actually cold. It's colder than Toulouse. Charot. Albiville. It's colder than Toulouse. Uy. Diba? May ano tayo, may tourist tayo from Paris. She's over there. From Paris yet. From Paris, walang wallet. Ito yung tour guide namin.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, vous allez bien? Ayan, naglinya ang mga tourists. Naglinya sila papunta ng direction nila.
Where are you going?
Dora the Explorer. Ang tour guide namin, parang nawawala sila.
Hindi naman alam kanina.
Nawawala. It looks like people are still sleeping. In the morning.
We're going to Cathedral. Office do tourism.
Katedral si Parlala. Si Pugariw ko. Katedral si Parla, no? Si Pasa, si Laba. No, it's not them. It's just because you saw pink, it looks like Joy, no? Looks like Joy. Wearing pink. Vlogger yan, Melanie.
Followers lang kami.
Oh, we're meeting an American, not a Filipina. You didn't tell us she's an American.
American. Ay, hello.
Ano pa ka naman? Catherine. Ikaw. Ano ba? My American Filipina. American Filipina and her husband's over there. Tour lang.
Qu'est-ce que vous voulez faire en fait?
Oui.
What do you want to do?
May anak na kayo?
Dalawa.
Hindi niya alam.
Sa loob po si Jill.
Ganda ng panang bonjour. Punta tayo sa yung isang church ba doon? Ayan.
Video ba yan? O picture? Hindi ko naman sinabi na sa Birmingham ako, di ba? Ay, sinabi mo. Picture or video? Picture.
Ang ingay ng mga Pinay. Ang mga Pinay na may ingay. The noisy Filipinos are here. We're gonna go to the other church now. This is Saint Cecile, and we are going to San Salvi Church. So they actually have two churches here. It's very nice, the structure of the church, the details and all. I like it. It's like Gothic style.
Hello, group ng Toulouse. Nandito kami sa Albi. Yan, mga laagan. Kasi bagong namin.
Oras to roses.
Ano ba yun? May bago kami ng Pinay. Dito sa Albi. Yan siya.
San Salvi, girl. Punta tayo San Salvi. Yan ba yun?
Museo de Lautrec.
Museo. No, may ibang church sabi niya.
Sa kabila, yun. Doon sa harapan.
No, sa likod lang daw sabi niya.
Doon, yun ang entrance doon.
Asan?
Doon sa kabila.
Asan, girl?
Andun. Ikot yan dyan.
Tour guide, oh.
Ginaw na.
Toulouse Museum, Lautrec, Palais de la Verde. But we are not going in.
Sa kong glass. Uy, di kayo magkain. Gutom na.
They have souvenirs
10
there?
euro.
They have souvenirs? Let's go there later.
Asa naman ang likod na?
But this is not church.
Dito sa likod.
The other side.
Katong gibabaan o itong giagyan na to ganiha. Dito naman to straight.
Ah, okay. Lome Milton, Restaurant Salon Lupe.
Lagi.
Our tour guide is here. 2 girls are our tour guides. Are you sure it's here? It looks like we're lost. Comment elle
Il est cuisiné. Alors en fait, il y a une durée à côté et il y a de l'ail olive. Vous savez, c'est de la mayonnaise avec de l'ail.
Ah,
par-dessus
d'accord,
le
c'est trop bon
poisson.
ça.
Et c'est super bon. C'est dessus sur le poisson.
D'accord.
Okay.
Voilà.
Okay.
Moi,
Vous
je
voulez
prends
que
ça.
Je rapproche.
Yeah,
Moi,
translation.
Translate.
Not yet.
Moi, je prends un cabillaud aussi, s'il vous plaît.
Oui, bien sûr. Alors attendez, je vais aller récupérer mon petit appareil pour prendre la commande et j'arrive tout de suite. Ok.
D'accord. Merci. Let's start with our food with salad. Charu.
Nung Biyernes, ang views ko
Ito ang view natin while eating.
100,000 ang views ko sa lahat ng
Ang Pinay ay nagchika talaga.
walang bayan.
Chika is life.
Wala.
Yung isa vlogger ang pen. Yung isa, ewan ko ni Stella, ang busy niya dyan. Bon appetit! Bon appetit! Bon appetit tout le monde! C'est bon, le poisson? And here's our main dish. I took the fish and Melanie as well. Everyone is actually taking fish because there's rice. Rice is life for Pinays. And bonjour! Beautiful people!
Bonjour, bandang people. Bonjour, bandang people. I'm from Toulouse.
Busog na sila. Sabaa.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi guys. I'm from Toulouse.
Please hit the like button and subscribe.
Bonjour.
Don't forget to like.